How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display hinges on a Dell Latitude E5470. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First loosen screws, then use fingers to separate and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and remove bracket and wireless card. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and slide off hinge covers. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use fingers to separate and remove display bezel. Next, unscrew and remove display hinges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.